Hello friends, I am Ajit Agarwal and in this class of organic chemistry we will do conversion of alkanes, in which most important conversion of alkanes are methane to ethane or ethane to methane. First we will do the first conversion, that is methane to ethane. In this conversion, first we will do chlorination of methane, which is done in presence of ultraviolet rays coming from sun. You will use diffuse sunlight. Okay. First, on during chlorination of methane, the product form is CH3Cl after substitution reaction of methane. Its name is chloromethane. Then you will do it with Wolff's reaction. In Wolff's reaction, the reaction is carried out by using sodium. You will use sodium and in presence of dry ether. This methyl chloride will form methane. This reaction takes place in this manner. Here the short form for showing the conversion. Actually, in Wolff's reaction, you will use 2 molecules of chloromethane, 2 atoms of sodium, 1 CH3Cl here, 1 CH3Cl here. Then you will see that 2 NaCl will form and CH3 mix up to form C2H6 plus 2 NaCl. In this way, ethane can be formed. Here is only 2 steps during conversion of methane to ethane. First you will do chlorination, you will form methyl chloride, and then by Wolff's reaction you will form ethane. Like this you can do any other conversions. If you have to convert one alkane to other or from lower alkane to higher alkane, first you will do chlorination and then Wolff's reaction. Similarly, you can practice for ethane to propane. Practice for it, and if you have any problem you can ask me comment box. Next we will do second conversion, ethane to methane. In this there are a few steps including the topic discussed in last video, and whose link is provided in my description box. If you have any problem in doing this conversion, please suggest that you should see that video in the description box. Okay. In this, first we will do catalytic oxidation. This topic I have already done. In short, we will write C2H6 in presence of oxidizing agent here, that I already told you in the last video. First, alcohol of same number carbon is formed. On further oxidation, you will get an aldehyde of same number carbon, that is ethanol. Then on further oxidation, you will get acetic acid CH3COOH. Its IUPAC name are ethane. C2H5OH is known as ethanol. CH3CHO is ethanol, and this is ethanoic acid. Ethanoic acid, because this is an acid, you can react with a strong base NaOH to form salt. Salt is CH3COONA. It is known as this is neutralization reaction. The H plus ion of the acid reacts with OH ion of the base to form water, and this H plus will replace by sodium, form sodium acetate or its IUPAC name is sodium ethanoate. Sodium ethanoate. And you have used sodium ethanoate to form methane by using soda lime, NaOH/CaO. This combination is known as soda lime, resulting in the formation of methane and Na2CO3 byproduct is formed. The last step is the lab preparation for methane. Practice for this reaction, most important reaction for a board examination point of view for any of the class, either 10th or 12th. Please like my video and share it, subscribe it.